Hello and welcome to a new tutorial in this basic SolidWorks course. This time we are going to model a piece called packaging. And for this we have the drawing of the piece here. The first thing is to go to SolidWorks and open a new part document. We will wait for the interface to load, and then, as we already know, we are going to configure the units in millimeters. Next, we will create a new sketch and choose the front plane. We will look for the center rectangle command and we will go to the origin. We click on drag to extend the rectangle. Then, we will create a relationship between these two lines, so that they both have the same measure. Now, we will select the Smart Dimension command, and this will have a measure of 3.5 millimeters. Then, we will add some rounds to the ends of the square, and for this, we will look for the Sketch Fillet command. The radius will have a measure of 0.38 millimeters. Later, we will select the lines that form the vertices in which we want to do the fillet. A message will appear and we will select Yes. Later, we will draw 4 circles. And then, we will add an equal relationship. Once this is done, we will add the measurement of the diameter of the 4 circles. This will be 0.38 millimeters. Then, we will draw one more circle in the center of the square. This circle will have a measure of 1.50 millimeters. In the next part, we will insert a line and select it to make it a line for construction. Then, we are going to draw the following shape to make a group. We will pull the line a little and then we will return. When we pull the line again, it will have a circular shape like here we can see it. Once this shape is drawn, we left click and then select. Then, we go to the Sketch tab and we will look for the command called Mirror Entities. We will click on Entities and we will select all the lines of the figure that we draw. And then, we will click on About and we will select the construction line. As we see, the figure will also appear on the other side of the construction line. Then, we will click on Accept and draw another radius to completely close the slot. Before starting to insert measurements, we will add a new tangency relationship between this radius and this line. Now, we will be able to give the measurements to the slot. First, the measurement between these lines will be 1.50. Then, we will add an equal relationship in all the arcs of the figure. And these arcs will have a radius of 0.13. Later, we will add a concentricity relation between these two arcs. and we will give a measure of 1 to this arc. Once this is done, we will add the measurement between these two lines. This measurement will be 0.25. Now we will go to the Sketch tab and look for the command Circular Sketch Pattern. And in Parameters we will select this circle. And in Entities to Pattern we will select all the lines of the slot. Finally, we will make sure that the number of instances is the number 4. We click on Accept, and as we can see, 4 evenly distributed slots will appear. Finally, we will add a parallelism relationship between these two lines and add a measure of 0.5 between them. To finish this piece, we will go to the Features tab and select Extrude Boss Base command, and we will give a measure of 0.5 to extrude the sketch. With this, we will have finished this piece. I hope this video has been useful to you, and thank you for watching.